Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you methods how to restore the backup on the Realme 14 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. As you can see, the Realme 14 Pro is on my right side. It is brand new, just after the reset. So now let's follow the setup process. Okay, as you can see now, that's the first method of the backup, setup using another device. You can pick between the Android device or iPhone or iPad. So that's why I took the second phone over here. They are both connected to the internet. As you can see now on this phone, we have a setup new device. And now in here also, let's click the Android device and in here click the setup. Let's turn on the Bluetooth. And the process is started, so let's wait a little bit. Okay, so basically now from this phone, we will transfer data into this phone. From in here, we have a Honor X8C, and we now gonna transfer the data into the Realme. So now let's scan the QR code, just like this. Okay. Now we have to continue on the Realme. So verify that's you. We need to use the pattern that we use as a lock on this phone, so you need to remember it. But also you can disable this option that was right over here. Okay, getting your phone ready. Okay, we now can skip this. Okay, and now we have the copy data from your Android device. We can also click on next. Okay, as you can see, getting ready to copy. This might take a few minutes. So basically that's the first option. So just be patient and wait until the process is finished. Okay, here we can select what apps we want to copy. We have the apps, the contacts, the photos and videos, device settings, and also the call history. So in here you pick what data you want to transfer. And now let's proceed next. Okay, here we can select the unlock method. It can be the password, fingerprint, or face. I'll just keep on the password. Okay, now we have the Google services. Simply click on accept. Also in here you can turn on backup and enable the photos and videos and another device data. So you can also turn on backup over here. Choose your browser and search engine. It can be basically anything. So I'll leave it up to you. Here we have the Gemini. If you want, you can turn it on. Okay, still the copying process. Okay, copying is done. On both phones we can see the text. So now simply click on done. In here we have the continue setup on your Realme 14 Pro, so we can click on close over here. And we won't need this phone anymore. And now again we need to wait a little bit until the process is finished. As you can see, this may take a few minutes, so you need to be patient. Okay, this process has started. Simply scroll down and then click on agree. Here you can pick the navigation, click on done, get started. Okay, and now the phone is ready to use. Okay, so that was the first method. Okay, now the second option, also using another device, but also we need a USB cable here. So once you have connected to your Wi-Fi on the Realme phone, simply click on next. You now have getting phone ready. And as you can see, now we have copy apps and data, click on next. Use another device, click on next. Also, if you don't have the cable, you can do it without it. Just simply doing it using the internet. But now let's click on next. And now let's plug the phone to each other. We need a USB-C to USB-C cable and plug the phone to each other. So let me just do it. Okay, now click on next. On the second phone, now it showed up. And now click on copy. Now draw your pattern or enter your password. And now the process has started. Okay, getting ready to copy. This might take a few minutes, so you need to be patient until the process is finished. Okay, and again, choose what to copy: apps, contacts, photos and videos, device settings, call history, enable anything you want, and then simply click on copy. Okay, so the copying data has started. Now getting your account info. You can download an eSIM, but it's not necessary. Okay, you don't need to connect this right now. You can skip it. You can here pick the unlock method. As you can see now on this phone we have it says copying is done, so we can close now. Here we have the Google. Click on accept. In here you can also turn on backup. You click on next. Select your browser. Set as a default. Okay, we can click on continue. We have the Gemini over here. You can click on continue. If you want, you can turn it on. It's not necessary. Here you can also click skip. Okay, now copying is done. Apps, contacts, photos and videos, device settings and the call history has been successfully restored on the Realme 14 Pro. So now simply click on done and again getting your phone ready. So wait until the process is finished. Okay, now you can click on agree. Again, click on done. Get started. And now the phone is ready to use. Okay, so that was the second option, using another device and a USB cable. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you the last option, which is by using the Google account. So now simply click on the next. Now we click on we can't use other device. Click on OK. Click on next. Okay, and there basically you need to log into your Google account, which on the backup was made, so please don't forget the password to it. And here we, as you can see, we have a bunch of the backups, restore data from another device. And now I'm simply gonna pick this backup that I made 90 minutes ago. So simply click on it, wait a little bit. Okay, and here we choose what we want to restore. We can select on the apps, contacts, device settings. And now simply click on restore. Okay, connect to mobile network. We don't need to do it now, so we can simply click on the skip. Unlock method we also can skip. We can set it later. Okay, now the Google services. Simply scroll down and here you can enable to use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data, install updates and apps, and now simply click on accept. Also in here you can enable to turn on the backup. click on next. Here you can select a browser. It is up to you. I'm just gonna use the Google Chrome and the Google. You can click on continue. Now we have the AI. We don't need to enable it just now. Also the Google Pay. We can skip this process. And now again we need to wait. Okay, it finished pretty fast. Scroll down, click on agree, click on done. And now at the finish, get started. Okay, so that's the all options how to restore the backup on the Realme 14 Pro. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.